Welcome to our guide on creating a QQ account. QQ is an exceptional social platform connecting users worldwide with diverse features tailored for international users. First, head over to your device's App Store and search for the QQ International app. Download and install it to get started. Once installed, launch the app to access the sign-up page right away. Now, choose your preferred sign-up method. You can use either your email or phone number, whichever you find convenient. Fill in the required information for account creation. It's pretty straightforward. Don't forget to verify your account. Check your email or SMS for the confirmation code and input it to complete the process. Next, set up your QQ profile. Choose a fun username and a profile picture that represents you. Now it's time to explore QQ's exciting features. From chatting with friends to engaging in games, there's so much to discover. Using QQ internationally comes with amazing benefits. It's a powerful tool for connecting with global friends in a fun and interactive way. Happy QQing!